Back here at the arena, as you can see the numbers in the second set. 10 attack points from Cebu, not so bad, but Perpetual having 4 more. At ang naging diferensya, yung service ng Perpetual, meron pang bonus na extra 3 points doon. Yung errors, halos pareho lang, which dapat nga talaga na minimize na ating ladies from Cebu kung gusto talaga nilang lumaban dito against Perpetual.
Thanks, Mosey and Seb Sermenta, together with Denise Tan, completing this trio of broadcasters for your Shakey's B-League this afternoon. So far, it's 2-0 lead by Perpetual Health. Good save. Cortez pushes it over. Nice effort by Irish. From the back row as well, Sartin Contada.
Short return.
To the back row. Yes.
Oh, Tobino. Putting that exclamation point at the end of that long sentence.
Yeah, Tobino's the reluctant bully, and you know, she
Reluctant ba?
and then she likes to hit it hard. Tapos pagka nakita niya gumugulang na.
Well, Tobino now 9 points already. Diaz and 13 having 7 each. Joy Cases quiet with the 4 points. On the other side, it's Bate with 9 points. Panis with 7, but Isuga and Praca very silent with 2 apiece.
Condada trying to track it down but unable to get anywhere. Masyado ng malayo. Nothing ruffles the hair of Condada here this afternoon. Nothing
You
at
can mess
all.
up my life, but not my hair.
Yeah, Vima Condada. Kaya ang dig niya paharap eh. Joy Cases sorry. Akin, mali ako.
Yep. Masyadong maaga yung pag-bend ni Joy Cases. Kulang siguro ng isa pang step.
Here's a Sulgad, her team. Eto na naman ang San Carlos. Lilid ng maaga. Tapos pagka nahabol hindi na maka-arangkada. Cases daw digs it up neatly. Sartin. Obinque. Asus. Pasus.
Medyo miscue on the side.
Sabi
of
ni
the Cebuanas.
Maris Aranas. Asus.
Kasi second ball nga naman. Halos pag-aari talaga yan ng setter.
It's mine, not yours.
Oh,
Shakey's for family pizza. Gotta be Shakey's.
even from the serve. Ito si Tobino really thundering yung kanyang palo.
Thundering is the word. It's now 3-2. San Carlos with a slight lead. It's been a recurring trend of the game. They will lead in the early going, stay close to Perpetual, but lose their grip on the game somewhere in the middle, as you mentioned.
Sartin once again. Simple volleyball gets it done.
April and Sartin.
Yep. Look at her go.
You gotta look at her baby pictures in her first birthday. May mga maganda cake. April Ann. Ayun, parang Honey Royce Tubino. Yan yung mga magaganda.
Pag pumalo
Oo.
gusto mong bigyan ng Bob. Diba? Bob. Gusto mo tawagin Tony. Lalakas pumalo.
Oo. Yan ba, Mosin? High school pa lang. Ganun na. They have to grow a little older. Kasi ang larong high school, hindi pa ganyan ka-sophisticated eh.
Oh yes, but you should see yung high school games now.
I guess,
Because of
okay.
yung batch, I don't know if yung talagang batch lang. Although, syempre yung program and yung training, ibang-iba na talaga. But yung lately, ang lalaki ng mga players.
Yeah, this generation, I don't know what we fed them, huh? Oh, nice thing by Cases. Just the tip of her fingertips, fingers rather, sorry.
Nobody there for USC.
And that's giving up on that play. It's now 6-3. Axel is our official outfit here in the V-League. Looked long, but it sailed down. That'll go.
Smart move there. Bate with an off speed. Just enough power.
Now here comes the middle portion of the set. Pahahabol ng konti USC. Sasabihin, pipiglas ito bandang 10 eh. Then they're hoping it will not happen again.
But as you can see, Perpetual still going with Guillermo. Their second
Yes.
setter. Hodgman passes. Binky was there, but Aranas committing that double violation. Mahirap kasi patras niyang kinuha yung
correct.
bola.
Wala siyang balance. In the meantime, let's go. I think this is Diaz.
Sulga on the back
yes.
row attack. Nagulat nun na si Diaz.
Yeah. Hindi niya in-expect yun eh. But what I've liked about Perpetual this afternoon is the way they have flowed on the floor. In the meantime, that's read neatly by Contada. Eh, kung tumamat sa buho ko yun.
Di pwede.
Pwede. 8-5.